Hey guys, a video today on the topic of like terms, okay? So this is 5D from your textbook. And when we're talking about terms, and particularly like terms, just as a recap, we are considering pronumerals, so letters, for example, that are combined with either multiplication or division of a number. Okay, and remember, when we put our pronumerals right next to a number, that means times. And then if we have our pronumeral and our number on top of each other in either combination, that means divide. So I have some examples here of like terms. But before I begin, something that I noticed in class was a lot of students are very fixated or are concentrating on trying to know what the pronumeral actually equals. So in lots of times, in lots of situations, you don't know what the pronumeral equals, and that's not really all that algebra is about, okay? So for this type of question, you most probably won't know at this stage what the pronumeral equals. It's just about gathering our like terms as much as possible and simplifying our expression. Okay, so here's an example. We've got 5AB and 3AB, so they are like terms. Okay, here we've got 2ABC and 4BAC, but because I've still got the same pronumerals A, B, and C, A, B, and C, and they're timesing, it doesn't matter if they're in a different order. So they are like terms as well. Over here, I've got 4A plus 7B times 7, for example. Or plus 7, I should say. So A and B are different pronumerals, and this lonely 7 over here is a constant term, so it doesn't have a pronumeral at all. So neither or any of these are like terms. So as a definition, I should have said this before, sorry, exactly the same pronumerals, although not necessarily in the same order. And we know that when we have pronumerals that are next to each other, they're timesing. And if I give you the example of 3 times 2, that's the same as 2 times 3. So when we're multiplying, it doesn't matter what order it's in. So that's why it can be in any order, because it's timesing, as long as it's the same pronumerals. Okay. Another example I'll just show you. We've got 3AB, for example, plus B. Now, because they're not exactly the same pronumerals, so this one has A and B and this one just has B, they are not like terms. Okay. Another thing that you'll be asked to do with like terms is that they can be combined within an expression to create a simpler expression. We call that simplifying our expressions, or it could also be called informally as gathering like terms together. So here I've got 5AB plus 3AB, and that would equal 8AB. In this example here, I've got 7y plus 11x plus 2y. So these are our like terms. 11x doesn't have any other like terms with it in this expression. So altogether, I have 9y plus 11x. Okay, and that's, for this example, as simple as I can get my expression.